I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today we're working on this 2012 Cadillac CTS with some damage in the driver's door, just below the door handle here, as well as the left rear door as well. So let's go ahead and show you what we're going to be working on today. Get the camera turned on. All right, so we've got this door dent right here that we'll be fixing. That was kind of a secondary damage because this is what the customer was really concerned about. So, pretty good sized little crease right there in the door. I'm going to go ahead and take out all this damage using the paintless dent repair method. So, that's kind of what it looks like from head on. That one rear door dent there that you can see, that's really noticeable. Front one still is, but it's not as sharp. So, and if we put our light system on here, definitely some pretty good sized damage. So how we're going to go about doing further repairs here. So what I'm going to actually go ahead and do to gain access to this door is we're physically just going to have to roll the window down and get most of our tooling through the window channel here. If I've got to do take the door panel apart, kind of like we talked about yesterday in yesterday's Tesla estimate, we gave it basically the option of we may have to pull the door panel. Can't be 100% for sure on it by any means. So we want to make sure that we've got that all. Hey, what's up, everyone? So I just want to make sure that we're going to have you know, adequate coverage as far as getting the repairs done. So if we have to go through the door panel here, actually, I see this is actually an interesting thing. I didn't see this on the estimate. So when a dent repair company, or when certain companies will do dent repairs, they'll actually drill holes for axes, which is something we don't tend to do. I can probably count on one hand how many times I've had to do any of that. So we basically do not do that, especially anymore. So what the damage looks like, or what you can see that there's been a previous attempt here. So this here is a factory plug. It lines up with the door handle, and that allows you access to the screw to take the door handle out. This, however, is not a factory plug. So it's sometimes somebody took a tool, put it in there, and actually tried to fix some damage in this door. So fortunately for me, that's actually going to give me even better access to fixing this dent. So we'll see. So I'm going to try to use their access point because I didn't create it, maybe to help save the customer a little bit of money instead of having to pull the door panel and trim off there. So we'll see. Worst case scenario, if I do have to pull the latch assembly, just like that Tesla yesterday, I won't be able to drop it in and not remove the door panel, I believe. So I'm going to have to take off both in order to do the latch assembly. But anyway, so that just kind of shows you as far as what we are working on today. So nothing too extreme. As well as this dent right there. Anyways, so if you guys learned something on the video here, got any kind of entertainment, go and hit the like button here. You know, double tap it part on Instagram. Appreciate you guys following us and checking out some of the repairs that we're doing throughout the days. And if you want to go ahead and reach us or have any questions or concerns, feel free to go ahead and DM us directly through here, or leave us a question or a concern in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions or anything like that for us. Or you can give us a call at 605-250-1023. Call or text your damaged photos. We'll get back to you shortly with a dent repair estimate and get you in for a scheduled repair. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a great Tuesday.